Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well at home. I am your teacher and today I am going to teach you your math subject. Students, as you know, these videos are our revision video. Today our day is Maths Day. Now take out your numbers for beginners 1 to 10. Counting book, open page number 2. Look at the number is 1. How many fish on this page? One fish. One fish. One fish. One fish. One fish. One fish. Number is 1. One fish. Turn the next page. Number is 2. Number is 2. 2 cats. 2 cats. Students, today the day is Wednesday and the date is 25th May. 25th May 2021 and the day is Wednesday. One fish, 2 cats. 1, 2. 2 cats. 1, 2. 2 cats. Turn the next page. 3 teddy bears. 3 teddy bears. 1, 2, 3. Number is 3. 3 teddy bears. 3 teddy bears. Repeat again. 1 fish, 2 cats, 3 teddy bears. Dear students, it's time to your flashcard time. Look at this. 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. One, mango. 1 mango. 2 parrots. 1, 2. 2 parrots. 2 parrots. 3 strawberries. 1, 2, 3. 3 strawberries. Number is 3. 3 strawberries. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने इसी तरह घर में डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, डिफरेंट चीज़ों को, जिनमें आपके टॉयज़ भी हो सकते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, उनको आपने काउंट करना है. पहले 1 थिंग काउंट करनी है, फिर 2 थिंग्स, फिर 3 थिंग्स. ओके, इस तरह आपकी काउंटिंग एबिलिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी और आपको नंबर काउंटिंग आएगी. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.